Today in front of me Nokia T20, and I'll show you how to remove, how to turn off the always on display feature on this device. So first you should just go to the Muviz Edge application, and now just here we got, as can you see, they applied the mirror rain. Now just tap here on up right corner on the settings icon, tap there, and as can you see here we got just enable the AOD mode, that just to turn off the always on display mode. Tap here once on the switcher, and now we'll just lock our device to check that. As can you see, we just turn off our always on display on Nokia T20. So that's how it looks, and thank you for watching. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.